stream started. Obviously, what else am I gonna do? Have to do this, so do this, like whatever. And anyways, where I was left. This, by the way, will also be like maybe a little less than 1 hour. So A04, so that should have coordinates that I didn't understand that well. So yeah, that shit. Got my Gemini bullshit. Come on. I thought the chat disappeared, but where it is. Yeah. So yeah, we were having 2 fucking integrals. And I think I split the first one, did that one, and now I'm trying to do the second one. First one I did nicely. Now for the second one, basically yeah, this, and I would get this, and essentially you use fucking use substitution, right? Because if you do like this, like, so it's 2 there, and 1 divided by x minus 1 is just x minus 1 into a power, so you can't really do that. So basically use substitution it is. You fucking substitution. So t is x minus 1, dt is essentially dx. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this, put with 2, and it's gonna be integral of 1 divided by t dx, and well, that's what's gonna be that. Well, there's a formula for this, so it's ln of x, which in this case is ln of t, so 2 ln of t plus c, so it is. And actually, like, you know, you have to put the fucking what you had before, like x minus 1, x minus 1 plus c, and you just like put the shit, so big fx is just gonna be that plus what we got. Like first one was this, and plus the second one, and just put a plus c at the end. And now we just have to get an f0. What that means is essentially you fucking instead of fucking x, you put 0, because where's the coordinates from 0 till 4, and like we're starting with 0, so f of 0 is equal with 2, and there's gonna be square root of 1, so it's 1, so it just stays like this, 2, and then plus 2, and there's gonna be minus 1, 2, ln of minus 1, and essentially ln of minus 1, I think that's 0, and 2 times 0 is 0, so just 2. So f of 0, that's 2. I mean, it gets it that's 2, but it's saying that c is equal to 2. So c is equal to 2, huh? 2 plus c. 2 plus c. So yeah, it's fucking 2. So I think that's it. Actually, no. There's like a first step. Oh, so just fucking for the final step, you just write all the shit, and instead of C, just put a 2. And yeah, that's it. Now for next exercise, I think. Hold up. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so back, whatever, next fucking exercise. Just solve this not definite integrals or undefinite integral 3 divided by 2 plus 2x at a second power dx. Well, yeah, like, let's see, perhaps I can do this like whatever. So it's something divided by x at the second power, so perhaps I need to make the power lower, so with that I fucking like um put it like with substitution and shit. So first leave this 3 on top, like pop it like in the front, cause you know it's 3 times 3 on 1 times that. So that just is like this. So essentially, now I give the integral, and with that shit, but I'm not gonna write down again. I'm just gonna start with t 2 plus x second power dt is just that derivative, so 2x dx. Now the bloody dx, well, it's gonna be dt divided by 2x, which is like dx is from here like 1 divided by 2x dt. So that's what I have. Put here the fucking t, and here 1 divided by 2x dt. So I will have like it's 2t 2x. Maybe the process is wrong. Should have been like easier to simplify and stuff. Hold up. Should be having this thing here. 3 plus. Yeah, is the right one. Um. So actually here you use like a fucking formula of integration. Alrighty, man. So it's not like this. It's like another formula of integration. I'm gonna show you. I thought it's too hard. So you have this integral again. 2 plus 2 x at the second power dx, and you just like write it down again, but here at the bottom you put like 1 plus x second power, just to factor the 2 out, and in the front you're gonna put 3 divided by 2, and like the integral is gonna be, what you have to integrate is gonna be 1 divided by 1 plus x to the second power, and essentially formula for that is arc tgx. So you're gonna have arc tgx plus c. Well, that's it, right? That should be it. So now for the next one, b whatever. So let me find it. Next one is this: x at second power, e at the power of x at the power of 3 dx. So this is what I do. So essentially here we have e and stuff, so actually here I think that we need to do like integration by parts. So yeah, like get first the u. I think like the u should be the x to the second power, I think. Yeah. So put that, and dv is all the other shit. So v here, du, that integrate is gonna be just 2x dx, and the fucking integral of e at the power of x at the power of 3. How fuck are you gonna integrate that? Let me see there. Well, fucking Gemini thought that it's just e at the power of x, but it's actually e at the power of x power of 3. So I have to clarify that. I'm gonna do that. In b, it is e at the power of x at the power of 3. So in that case you would need to firstly use like u substitution, and you would get that. Yeah, that should be like easier. So in this case we would use your substitution. Okay, so for your substitution here is this: du will be 3x at the second power dx. This I don't need right now, but still you need to use like the fucking integration formulas and stuff. Or maybe no. Let me think about it. What exactly are you trying to do here? What? Don't quite understand this. It's saying that it's 1 divided by 3 integral of that 3 x to the second power e to the power of x third power dx. Why like this? It's pretty hard to understand. How did we get to this? What if I try to use my way? I'm gonna try that. Go with my way. So like, I use this U substitution, but I think you can't use U substitution and integration by parts all at the same time. So basically I got du so essentially I added 1 divided by 3 up front in order to have that 3. Okay, yeah. So now we just change the x to second third power to u. So it's just also like dx here will be 3x to second power du. So like it's like dx there, so it cancels out somehow, I don't know. And so you would get that it's 1 divided by 3 e to the power of x divided by 3 plus c. It's pretty hard to understand, I'm not that sure about it. Let's go for the next exercise. There it is. Find volume of a rotational object, basically determined by a function. So think there like it's a fucking formula with a pi and with a v and stuff. I don't really remember it that well. Like v is equal with pi and definite integral of that. So I'm gonna try to write it down myself and let's see if ChatGPT is correct. What I have to do: 0 till 3 of x to the second power plus 2. Now let's see with ChatGPT if it's correct. Or Gemini. I'm gonna crop it. Alrighty. Boom. Save. Right. And now pop this. Pop solve. And wait a bit. Actually it's like this, but has to be at the second power and dx. Like dx I think I could have remembered, but that is like the second power. It's not that easy to remember. So like you have to do this. And now I'm just gonna put my mandatory formula sheet. And yeah, let's just do this. It's gonna be pi And there's like fucking U substitution, right? Like you're gonna fucking do your substitution and that's it, right? U is equal with fucking this, and du is gonna be fucking 2x. And now you just change with values of a definite integral. Lower is gonna be 2. Upper, well, there's 3, right? And 3 to the second power, that's 9. Plus 2, that's 11. So I have pi integral from new values 2 to 11. And there's u to the second power dx. But yeah, the second power dx. So now I just fucking do this. U third power on 3. And like from 2 till 11. So pi parentheses 11 at third power divided by 3 minus 2 at the third power divided by 3. So what is this number? 11 at the third power. How am I supposed to do this? I mean, I can do this, but it's pretty hard. Maybe I did something wrong, because it's not that often that I get shit like this. 11 at the third power. Basically 1. Here 2 1 2, actually 3 1. It's actually 131. I thought it's 121. Hold up. Yeah, it's 121, right? 121. Jesus. I thought by 1 times 1 is 11. Crazy. No, 121 times 11. We have 1. We have 2. 1. There. 1. 2. 1. 1. 2. 1. Fucking this. 1, 3, 4, 3, 1. What the fuck are these numbers? Can I even fucking like divide it by 3? Perhaps no. Whatever. I don't think that's actually correct. Cannot be. So you'll have just pi and 13,423 divided by 3. Well, I don't expect it to be like that. It's saying that it's 483 pi divided by 5, which is not exactly what I have. So perhaps I did something wrong here. So let's see. Well, I got that. Yeah, I thought about this. I'm saying that I shouldn't like went with a quadratic equation type shit and without this U substitution type shit. Anyways, I have to go now, so maybe I'll see you later. Goodbye.